This video is from the Merit Resort at Samui, where we have been yesterday. We hooked up with Mike Holp, who is a photographer. We went to do some shots for the hotel. I asked Belle to be a model, so you'll see Belle being a model there. It's quite good. She's quite good, she's a natural. And we did some drone pictures and drone shooting, so it's all in the video. And by the way, with Mike Holp, who is right now at Samui, he's gonna stay here for a while during the lockdown. We're gonna be putting up some more content, so definitely stay tuned because we're gonna be working together. It's gonna be quite a lot of nice stuff. Mike Holp also has a YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description below. So please make sure to check it out because he's having really interesting content as well.